Greetings and welcome to this 3D Motive Assets and Terrain video course for Unity 3.5. I'm Alan Thorne, and over the next hour or so I'll be guiding you through many of the details and specifics of the Unity engine when it comes to managing assets and quality, as well as building terrains. In this course we'll look at some general good practice and principles when importing textures and assets and when configuring them for use in our scenes as materials. We'll consider texture size constraints, file formats, and how to use materials to add realism to our meshes through diffuse, specular, and normal maps. We'll then move on to explore Unity's comprehensive terrain tools, looking at how to interactively sculpt, texture paint, and set dress large-scale terrains for our scenes. And we'll also talk about some general do's and don'ts when working with both textures and terrains. So, with that said, let's jump in and get started.